flashy.
But you can't even see it. Yes, so now we are gonna go to shooting range. And we're gonna have like the actual army outfit on, right?
Yes, I'm so excited for the photos. I'm like, out to mama.
Okay,
Does my hair look like a bird's nest, guys?
You know who my target is? Who's yours? Who's yours?
It's a secret. It's my all. She said she's gonna bite the heck out of me.
So this is the place. Yes. So this is the mall. Wala pa. Okay, go. Oh, so this is the paintball.
Wait, why that looking scary?
I thought it said paintball. So that's the paintball place. Ooh! It's a secret, but our target is.
Hindi ako natatawa.
You know na. Side is here. That's the inside. And then this is where you change into your gears. And so basically that's the gear you're going to be wearing. Okay, how do you feel?
Great.
How do you feel?
I feel excited.
How do you feel?
Flabbergasted.
Ikaw, how do you feel?
I feel cold.
Ay! Ayan na siya!
May pambayad ka ha? Okay, good.
Some group Filipino before come to play, he said masakit.
Ah!
Sanay naman kami.
Dapat marami.
I'm a bit scared.
Ay, daya. Maday.
Gusto na lang natin.
Wag! Dapat nga strategic tayo!
It's kind of unfair because imagine like all the big people get put into one group.
Okay nga yun eh, mas madali sila makikita.
This is God's
Oh, yeah.
Oh, paano pag lahat ng balalakas? No, yeah, hurry up, shoot.
Another team.
Ganito na lang.
Team Ghidorah.
Hindi, yung team leader na lang yung Wheel of Names natin.
Kapag hindi sila makapili.
Hindi, yung Wheel of Names natin dito, dalawa lang yung Wheel of Names. Tapos yun yung dalawang team leader. So, sa Wheel of Names, pwedeng si LA yung maging team leader, tapos si LA. ganun.
Sige.
Para fair. Yan yung God's will.
I got it. Hi guys, we're choosing the teams. This is Kuya Ellie. Okay, ready? Go.
Who's the leader? Tangkad pa kay Joel.
Oh, Kuya Joel.
Leader.
Over there. That one. Okay, next.
Okay. Okay, who's the second leader? To be hurt.
No.
No.
Ate Clam? Ate Clam!
Yung mananalo,
camera.
yung mananalo, siya yung una.
Naka-on.
Naka-on.
Walang ilaw, B. Hindi naka-on na? Hindi naka-on na, Brad.
Nakikita ba ito?
Naka-on ba?
Nagre-record eh, yeah.
Okay.
O, bato ba topic? Yung mananalo, siya yung una.
Na?
Basta una, pangalawa yung ano. Okay? Basta bato ba topic?
Bato, pick.
Isa lang.
Bato, pick.
Oh, okay. One cut, tapos two. Okay. Eldan, dito ka. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes! 1, 2.
Uy, sama niya akong kanin ang reaction! Reaction niya, yes!
Yeah! Okay.
Kainin!
Ano number mo?
LA, ano ka? 2. Okay lang, wala akong pake. Joke lang. Joke, I love you. Joke lang. Joke!
Ano pa yun? Ano po yung
Low.
meeting?
Sino yung kampi ko?
Who's in my team?
2.
Let's go!
Number 1? Number 1 tayo. Okay, magalala.
Ito ka din? No, ako na sige. Dito muna yung
Ay, gusto ko ba natin?
Pakasap ka natin yung janitor doon.
School tomorrow. Our target. Our target.
Lumayo kayo sa akin. Kakampi kita!
I wanted to. Oh. Hold on.
Ramdam ko yung pag...
Okay, can you leave it with
Engineer. Ito nga po pala yung PPE namin. Protection
Angel, how do
equipment.
Ba't hindi siya masikip, di? Paano siya
Paano yung sinuot ko?
Di jumpsuit kasi. I-try mo ilagay. Oh my gosh.
Ito na. Nilagay ko na.
Okay, okay. Mag-fit check tayo. Fit check. 1, 2.
Grabe naman jumpsuit. Hirap suotin.
Bakit si Ellie lang nakaganda?
Diba, nakakamo?
Yun yung
Okay lang yan, makikita pa rin natin yan.
Yun yung babarilin natin.
Pinakamalaki kasi.
Nako ba? Yan yung babarilin natin, hindi nyo ba alam? Kaya ganun.
Aba, GG kayo sa 100.
We'll just get shot like this.
This is my team leader. So, pag natalo kami, kasalanan niya yun.
Napakapadali sinisin nyo, ha?
Siyempre,
Okay, dala ko.
like this, like that.
Gagawin niya ang Marol dahil ano, tawag dito. Dahil,
Okay, I'll take the bullets. Okay, masasakit.
Narinig niya yan.
Joke lang, syempre.
Kaya mo sinasabi, di naman totoo yan.
Kaya mo.
Goggles. Wait.
Paano may nandun to? Sasuot mo lang?
Eventually, they go into how did you this one?
Oh my gosh, where did you
I'm low-key scared. Once we cut this,
Manipis mo ni Ellie. Oh, that's it. We are you working. Help me.
What?
Bakit ganun sa
Ay, hindi.
okay.
Go in. Uniform ni Ellie.
Mag-hi kayo when you go in.
How do you wear this?
Oh, thank
No
you.
need to close. Okay.
Hi! Good luck! Good luck! Good luck! Bakit blue yung sa akin? Thank you. Ba't blue sa akin?
Ay, may nakakaiba ka?
Help me.
Saan yung sa mukha? Ito ba? Paano natin malaman yung team natin?
I don't know.
May Arabo. Paano mo siya isusuot? Ganyan lang?
mahuhuli ka! Ayaw! Patalo tayo.
What do you mean you're an expensive skin? Can I see your new skin? Guys, why do I look like that?
Oh, hell.
Oh, this way? So blind. Is it this? Guys, sa ganito lang ah.
Sayang.
Huwag sali.
Sa mukha pwede?
Lashes. My lashes are saving me.
Okay. Mag-tip check tayo guys. Mag-tip check tayo. This is the final look.
Sakto.
Uy guys, parang ang ganda mo kapag ganito lang.
It's okay, just keep it like this. So? Dito pa lang naubos yung oras natin.
It's good?
Yeah, thank you.
Someone you want some help?
Me? Kaya na pala.
You need to tight? Make it bigger.
Ako sa sa automatic.
Blue team this side, red team other side.
Okay.
Ito na isa kong kakampi. Ayan. Galingan mo ha. Galingan mo.
Try hard pala to.
Dapat guys, ano tayo, manunalo tayo.
Grabe.
It's our first time playing.
Blue, this side.
Is this your first one?
Okay guys, attention. This side. Attention. Okay guys, the first rules. It's
Thank
heavy.
you. Oh, it is heavy.
3, 2, let's go, keep moving. recording, guys.
Sakit pala, no?
Come out! Come out!
Binaril ako sa lahat ng side.
Ayun o.
Did you get any shots?
I mean, I guess. There you go.
Sinalo.
Angelo, let me see your head. Your head. Turn.
I'm
Not Angelo. Ah, I think this guy. Here, yeah, the shoulder. Shoulder shot.
Yeah, my left shoulder is dead.
Let's see who's the winner now.
Hindi ka lumabas.
I will start with the blue team. Okay, blue team this side, red team other side. Let's see who's the winner. Okay. One, turn. One, good. Hit shot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Blue team, blue team, right? Yeah. Blue team. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 point for us. 3. 4, 5, 6. 6. Turn please. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Done? Yeah, this guy. 11.
Why did you have more bullets?
11, 11, 11.
Good job.
The red team is the winner.
Cheaters! Somebody cross the line! Crossing the line!
Never went out. Hindi kayo lumabas.
Kayo nakalabas kasi may pasalina.
Okay, guys.
Guys, my experience. How do I feel right now?
Ellie, tumawid ka?
Oh my gosh.
10.
Yeah, without the minus, you lose. If I minus, you lose more.
I feel good. Eldan, how do you feel? Because ikaw yung nagpa-win sa team natin. What are you doing? Look at the camera. This guy.
Wet.
Ito yung ano.
The pain.
Na-burn siya. Siya wala. Ang weekend chicken dinner is Eldan.
Kakahingan.
Eldan, good job. And these two. Ito, hindi to lumabas.
Hoy, lumabas ako.
Ito, nang duga.
Brad Vic, di ba lumabas na ako sa pangalawa?
Go on the second one. So far, I am safe. I did not feel anything.
Uy! Pa-picture.